Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing down the path of 30 days of melts. Today we're going to be doing a BLT melt. Today we're going to be combining two of my favorite sandwiches, a BLT and a grilled cheese. For our sandwich today, you're going to be needing 4 strips of crispy bacon. I'm using thick cut applewood, 2 slices of potato bread, a nice fresh beef steak tomato, some sauteed kale, and we're going to be using 2 cheeses, American and provolone. Okay, our bacon is done, so now let's start building our sandwich. We're gonna start with the obvious, the bread. This is some fresh potato bread from the market. We're gonna put mayo on both sides. On one side of the bread, we're gonna put our American cheese, and on the other side of the bread, we're gonna put our provolone. Now we're gonna cut all of our bacon in half and put 4 pieces on one side and 4 pieces on the other. Now let's layer our kale on one side. And now let's get that on our griddle. Give it a good press down. We're going to let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. One side's down, give it another press, and let's move it around a little bit and pick up all this extra bacon fat. No sense in letting it go to waste. Now, the taste test. A little bit of cheesiness from the provolone. Bacon, perfectly crispy. And the kale really adds that green that you need. It is tomato season, so these tomatoes are perfect. If you make this at home, let me know how yours came out. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.